Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar and the day has come for the giveaway winner and I am sorry for being late. And this was the video, let me open it. Okay, this was the video and I think there are 34 comments on it. So one will be the winner from the 34 persons, I think. Yes, copy the URL. Let me copy the URL, okay. Now go to another tab, random comment picker, and we will go with the first one. There is nothing like promotion thing or all comment picker are good. Let me paste the video link and we will be selecting like one winner and there will be nothing like no option selection, just one winner and just click on this random. Okay, close this. OP edit 56 is the winner as we have like picked it up. So we are making this one as the winner and declaring it. I'm sorry for all other guys, but make sure you subscribe and like stay tuned for the next content because I'll be doing the more such content in the future. And I have already opened the token lab. Let me create a API key for the winner and it will never expire and the quota will not be unlimited. It will be like 100 USD as you can see that, and save the changes. So this is the API key and it will be shared to the winner. So the winner is this one, OP edit, and I want him to contact me on the email ID shown on the screen and let me comment him too. Okay, this one is the winner. I already like, okay, so he asked me I'll be giving the API key really or not. So as you can see that we have declared the winner, and thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next content. And many people were asking me about the video. Let me show you. Okay, let me go to the channel. Okay, many people were asking me about the kickbacks AI, and there will be a video like tonight or maybe this evening soon. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching.